Building a profitable YouTube channel from scratch. YouTube is one of the fastest and most exciting ways to grow an audience, share your passion, and turn your creativity into income. Whether you're an expert, a hobbyist, or simply someone with a message, this is your time to build something that matters. In this guide, we'll walk step by step through how to choose your niche, create amazing content, monetize effectively, and grow your channel from zero to thriving. Let's dive in. Section 1. Choosing a niche. Every successful YouTube channel begins with a clear direction. Your niche is the foundation. It tells viewers what to expect and helps the algorithm know who to show your videos to. Start by asking yourself, what do I genuinely love talking about? Because if you pick something only for quick clicks, you'll burn out fast. Your passion fuels your consistency, and consistency is what fuels growth. Now, look at what's trending within your interests. Search your topic on YouTube. Pay attention to the top results, the titles, the thumbnails, the viewer counts. What do people respond to again and again? That's audience demand in action. The sweet spot is where your enthusiasm meets what people actively search for. For example, if you love fitness, go deeper. Maybe it's bodyweight workouts for beginners, postpartum recovery, or over 40 transformations. Specific beats broad. The more focused your niche, the easier it becomes to attract a loyal audience who feels, this creator speaks directly to me. Next, think long-term. Choose topics that are evergreen, videos that stay relevant for months or years. Tutorials, educational content, reviews, and problem-solving guides perform best over time. Trendy content may spike views briefly, but evergreen videos keep growing quietly in the background, building your watch hours and income while you sleep. Before you finalize your niche, test your ideas. Create 3 short videos in different but related areas. See which one gets the most engagement. Your audience will guide you toward what works. Once you find your niche, stick with it long enough to build authority. That's when YouTube starts recommending you to similar viewers, and growth begins to compound. Section 2. Creating content. Now let's talk about what really drives success. Consistent, valuable content. Plan your content. Begin with a simple content plan. Write down 5 to 10 video ideas based on your niche. Each video should solve a specific problem or deliver a clear benefit. For example, how to create thumbnails that get clicks, or 3 easy recipes for clean energy during workdays. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. Every video should answer a question people are typing into the search bar. Write your script, don't skip scripting. Even short videos benefit from structure. Use a simple formula. Hook, value, call to action. The first 5 seconds are critical. Grab attention immediately. Say something that makes viewers stop scrolling, like, most new YouTubers make this mistake in their first 10 videos. Don't be one of them. Then, deliver your main content clearly and confidently. End with an actionable next step. Subscribe, download, comment, or watch another video. AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini can help brainstorm ideas and outline scripts quickly. Pictory, InVideo, or CapCut can convert your text into dynamic videos with B-roll and visuals. Use technology to save time but keep your authentic voice. Chat to film professionally, even on a budget. You don't need an expensive camera. A smartphone, good lighting, and clear audio go a long way. Record facing a window for natural light. Use a simple clip-on mic or a USB microphone for crisp sound. Good audio builds trust. Poor sound drives viewers away faster than shaky video. Frame yourself properly. Keep your eyes near the top third of the frame. Avoid cluttered backgrounds. Clean, bright spaces make your video feel professional, even if you're filming in your bedroom. To editing for impact. Editing turns raw clips into engaging stories. Trim silence. Cut filler words. Add captions. Most people scroll with sound off at first. Use jump cuts to keep pacing fast. Add simple zooms and B-roll footage to emphasize key moments. Show your face when explaining, then switch to visuals when demonstrating. Balance motion and clarity. CapCut, Pictory, and DaVinci Resolve are excellent free tools. Set your videos to 1080p, add upbeat background music, and keep them under 10 minutes when starting out. Consistency is everything. Upload on a schedule you can sustain. Once a week is perfect. Don't disappear for long stretches. The algorithm rewards reliability. More importantly, your audience learns when to expect you. Create a routine. Film on one day, edit the next, upload the third. That rhythm becomes the heartbeat of your channel. That's Section 3, Monetization Methods. Once you have a growing library of videos and a loyal audience, it's time to make money. YouTube offers several powerful revenue streams. 1. Ad revenue. When you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Ads will run on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. But ads alone rarely make you rich. Think of them as the foundation. Sponsorships. Brands love YouTubers who have influence. Even small channels can get paid sponsorships if their audience is engaged and well-defined. Reach out to companies that align with your niche. Offer to review their product, integrate it naturally into your content, or create a tutorial around it. Always disclose sponsored content. It builds transparency and trust. Affiliate marketing. One of the simplest ways to earn is by recommending tools or products you genuinely use. Sign up for affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, Impact, Share a Sale, or niche-specific programs. Add your affiliate links in the video description. When viewers purchase through those links, you earn a commission. Selling digital products. Create your own ebooks, templates, or courses. These products turn your knowledge into passive income. If your audience trusts your expertise, they'll happily pay for deeper, structured guidance. Use Gumroad, Kajabi, or your own website to deliver products automatically. Mention them naturally in your videos. For more details, grab my free checklist in the description. 5. Services and coaching. If you're skilled at editing, design, or marketing, offer your services. Your YouTube channel becomes a living portfolio. Viewers who love your videos often become clients. 6. Memberships and Patreon. As your community grows, offer exclusive content for a small monthly fee. Behind-the-scenes videos, private Q&A, sessions, or early access keep your biggest fans close. Patreon and YouTube memberships make it easy to manage. 7. Diversify your revenue. The key is multiple income streams. Ads, sponsors, affiliates, and products together create stable income that keeps growing even if one area slows down. Focus on building value, not just selling. When your audience trusts you, monetization feels natural, not forced. Then Section 4, Growth Strategies. Now let's supercharge your channel's reach and performance. Optimize every upload. Your video title should instantly grab attention. Use clear keywords, what people actually search for. Instead of "my YouTube journey," say "how I grew my YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers in 6 months." Always think, would a stranger click this? Write detailed descriptions summarizing the value of your video. Add links to your social media, products, and related videos. Use relevant tags, but remember, the algorithm relies more on titles, descriptions, and watch time than tags alone. Thumbnails that pop. Your thumbnail is your billboard. It must stop the scroll. Use bright colors, clear faces, and big, readable text. Keep your design simple. One emotion, one message. Avoid clutter. Canva or Thumbnail Blaster are great tools. Compare your thumbnails after a week. If one gets a higher click-through rate, study why. Data teaches you what works. Audience engagement. Respond to comments. Ask questions at the end of your videos. Invite viewers to share their experiences. When people feel heard, they return. They also boost your engagement rate, which signals YouTube to promote your videos more widely. Use the Community tab to post polls, updates, or behind-the-scenes photos. That connection between uploads keeps your audience warm. Collaborate. Find creators with similar audiences. Offer a simple collab. Guest appearances, challenges, interviews, or co-tutorials. Each collaboration introduces you to a whole new set of viewers who already trust the other creator. Watch analytics. Open your YouTube Studio dashboard regularly. Look at 3 metrics: click-through rate, average view duration, and audience retention graph. These tell you what's working. If viewers drop off at the same spot every time, that's your cue to tighten your intro or pacing. Data doesn't lie, it's your secret weapon. And experiment and evolve. YouTube rewards creators who adapt. Try new formats, shorts, live streams, or behind-the-scenes vlogs. If a topic performs well, double down. If something flops, learn and move on. Every upload is feedback. Promote beyond YouTube. Share clips on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Shorts. Drive traffic back to your channel with a simple message. Watch the full video on YouTube. Embed your videos on your website and include them in email newsletters. The more entry points you create, the faster your channel grows. And stay consistent and patient. The hardest part of YouTube is staying consistent when growth feels slow. But every successful creator you admire started with 0 subscribers. They just didn't quit. Treat every upload as practice. Each one sharpens your skills, improves your delivery, and builds your library. A year from now, your future self will thank you for not giving up after the first month. Now you know the roadmap. Choose your niche. Create valuable, consistent content. Monetize smartly. Optimize, engage, and keep growing. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a launch pad. It can transform your ideas into income, your hobbies into a career, and your voice into a movement. So start today. Film your first video. Upload it even if it isn't perfect. Perfection never made a great creator, persistence did. Your audience is waiting, and your future channel is ready to be built. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart money and creator growth tips from Smart Money today.